Hi, this is Miss Sarah, and welcome to another fun activity with me. So today I was on my way to work and I was thinking about inventions and different amazing things in the world around us. And one of the coolest inventions that I started thinking about was the traffic light or the traffic signal. You know, it has those three lights, red, yellow, and green. What does red mean? Do you know? Stop. Good. What does yellow mean? Slow down. And what does green mean? Go, right? Go. I love that. All right. So I was thinking about the traffic signal and I was thinking about the inventor of the traffic signal. Do you know where it came from? It happens to be an African American inventor named Garrett Morgan. And I thought, you know, if he invented the traffic light, maybe he invented other things too. And then I got curious about his life. And I want to show you a really cool place where you can go to find out more information if you are interested in any inventors, or maybe you're interested in Garrett Morgan. So I'm going to share my screen here. And I want to talk to you about going on a database. A database is an online resource, okay? That means that it's a compilation, a group of documents and articles all scanned into the computer and saved digitally for you to search through and find things that you want to know about. So we have several online resources, which are also called databases, on tularepubliclibrary.org. That's our website. So I'm going there first, tularepubliclibrary.org. Then I'm going to scroll down to right here to where it says Research and Databases. I'm going to click on that. Databases or online resources are the same thing. And the one I'm going to use today is called Gale In Context Elementary. So I'm going to click on this one. And this is going to have all kinds of information about all kinds of fun things. Now, because I'm in the library using my laptop in the library, I don't need a library card to log on. But if you are logging on from school or from home, you will need to get a library card. It's going to ask you for your library card number before you log on. So make sure you have a library card before you get onto the online resource or database. All right, so here it is, Gale In Context Elementary. And from here you can see it's got a search box. We can look up items ourselves. It even has this fun question, what do trains travel on? Do you know? Railroad tracks, yeah. And then if you scroll down here, you can also see all of these different subjects. So if you clicked on one of those subject headings, it's going to bring you more subject headings and you can search. So from animals, you can look at reptiles and amphibians, pets and farm, mammals, insects, dinosaurs, birds, or animal-related subjects. So you can click on any one of these to get more subject headings. But I have a very specific search today, don't I? I'm not looking for animals. I'm looking for information about Garrett Morgan, the inventor of the traffic light. So I'm going to put his name right here. G-A-R-R-E-T-T, Morgan. Now notice that as I'm typing, it's reversing his name, putting the last name and then the first name. When you are looking for a biography about someone or information about a person, if you're looking for a biography or if there's information about a person, you're going to put their last name first and then their first name. So I like how it gives you this search option here. I'm going to click on that and let's see what we get. Wow, so right here at the top, it's telling me there's news articles, magazines, biographies, and pictures. So if I don't want to scroll down, I could click on any one of these and it will take me right to that section right there. Otherwise, I could go back up to the top and scroll down. There's the news. Whoop, went a little bit fast there, didn't I? There's the news. Right there. Then there's the magazines. We'll scroll down a little bit more. Then there's the biographies. And last, the pictures. So there's pictures of Garrett Morgan, the inventor of the traffic light. Now let's see what we have here. I'm going to go up here to the biography. Biographies are all about a person. So I know that's going to be information I want to see. I'm going to click on this one. The dots on the side tell you, they kind of correspond to the grade level or the hardness of the reading, okay? So in level 1, it's going to give me just some very general information. His name, where he was born and when he was born, when he passed away, what nationality he is, what he did, and other names he may have had. For example, his middle name was Augustus. So sometimes he went by Garrett Morgan, sometimes he went by Garrett Augustus Morgan, and sometimes he went by Garrett A. Morgan. And if we scroll down, we see a great picture of him. We see words to know. We see information about his early life. We see information about other businesses that he had. And it shows how he made it talks about how he made the traffic signal. And he also made a gas mask, which was one of the things that fire departments use to fight fires. So he was kind of early on with that invention as well. And then it even has the source citation. So if you needed to cite this in a research paper, you could use that source citation for your teacher or whoever you're turning the research into, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to go back up here at the top now, and I want to show you that was level 1. If we go to level 2, you can see this one is a little bit more in depth. And I like that it has a little bit different picture, so you can click on different levels and learn more things. Notice that this one has a main idea. So it's going to talk more about the more information in here, and it's going to give you more information about what is actually here. Also notice that it's longer, so it's including more details. It's not written as simply. So that's kind of cool too. And this one talks about things that were happening in Garrett Morgan's time. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn is a famous novel by Mark Twain that was published in 1884 while Garrett Morgan was alive. Isn't that awesome? So he was alive when that was very first published. That's so amazing. Do you have a favorite author? I wish I could have been alive during Shakespeare's time. He was one of my favorite playwrights. I like his plays. Anyway, so that is the information about Garrett Morgan, and you can definitely use any of our databases to find them. This is just one of them. This is Gale In Context Elementary. So do you want to know something? Look it up and tell me about it if you happen to find something cool. I'd love to see it. All right, you guys, now, because this is also a craft time, I want to take a moment and talk to you about putting together your own traffic signal craft. So for this, you're going to need a paper plate. Let me turn this around. You're going to need a paper plate that you have cut in half, okay? And notice I used a crayon. I used this big crayon just to make it go faster, but you can use a dark brown or a black color. And you're gonna wanna color the back of the paper plate. So normally when you have a paper plate, it goes like this, and this is the side that you would eat on, but you don't wanna do that. You wanna color the back part, okay? Not so that you have this great shape going this way. This is gonna be the top and the bottom of our traffic light, okay? You're also gonna need some black paper. Now, if you don't have construction paper, if you just have line paper, that's fine. You can just color it black. You do need a black color for the background. And what you're going to want to do is hold your paper up to here. You'll notice on your plate you have these two little lines. You're going to hold the paper up between there, and then you can fold it or mark it and then fold it over so that you have it just as wide as that, okay? Then you're going to need 3 circles in the 3 different colors of the traffic light. So you're going to need the red circle, the yellow circle, and a green circle. Now to make them, I use this cup and I use this bottom part. I traced it with a pencil on a piece of construction paper, and then I cut it out with my scissors, okay? So when you get all of those things together, you're going to glue them so it looks like this. So you're gonna glue the back of your black paper to the bottom of the plate here, and then to the top here. So it's gonna look like that, okay? Then you're gonna take your circles and put them in the same order that they would be on an actual traffic light. Red, yellow, and green. And then if you want to, you can also put some string so that you can hang it up and show off your awesome, awesome craft, right? So there's a little bit of history for you. There's a little bit of craft. I'm so excited. If you make a traffic light craft, please post it on our Facebook page, the Tulare Public Library Facebook page. Okay, I want to see them. Also, if you use Gale In Context Elementary database to look up some information about something that you're interested in, post about it on Facebook. I want to know, what are you reading? What are you interested in? Tell me about it. I'm really curious, right? I hope you guys will use our databases and look up our online resources and look up some awesome information for yourselves. Don't forget to get your library card, right? All right, I'll see you guys next time for another fun craft and activity. Bye.